Okay guys, so today I will be showing you how to make a flower. Okay, and I am going to use a 4mm hook. If you can see, a 4mm hook and a white yarn. Okay, so let's start guys, and we are going to start with a magic ring. Okay, and chain 1, and we are going to make 14 single crochet into the ring. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Let's close that. 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Okay, so let's just close this, pull this to close. Okay, then let's just wait guys, as this is kind of big. Okay, we're going to pull that. Okay, and we are going to put another one because we pulled that the last one. Okay, there you go. Then we are going to do a slip stitch, okay, into this chain here. Just slip stitch. Okay, pull through. Now we are going to work in the front loop only. Okay, so this is the back loop and this is the front. So I'm going to chain 3 4 5. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 to the next chain, front loop. Okay, I'm going to slip stitch. With this small one guys, it's kind of hard, but you will get through it. 1 2 3 4 5, and slip stitch into the next one. One, 2 3 4 5, and slip stitch into the next one. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5, and slip stitch. And then 5 4 5, the next slip stitch. Okay, so you are just going to continue that until you finish this row, and I'll meet you back up. Okay guys, so I am done with my rows. As you can see, that's a start, and from here what I'm going to do is I'm going to work on the back loop. Okay, so I'm just going to insert into the back loop, and so with this one, okay, insert there, and then slip stitch there. And then we are going to start a half double crochet. Okay, half double crochet into the back loop, half double crochet into the next stitch. Okay, and you're just going to continue that until you finish the row. Okay, just putting 1/2 double crochet into the back loop only of our project, and I will meet you up when I got here. Okay, if you need to increase, put 2 double crochet into the same stitch. Okay, just make sure that okay it's flat. Okay, so if it is like curly, put 2 double crochet in the same stitch to increase and then to help that flatten up. Okay, and I will see you soon. Okay guys, so I am back. As you can see, it's flat. Okay, I am just going to slip stitch, okay, into the first chain here. Just connect that. Okay, so from here, okay, so from, hang on a sec, not there, but it's here. Okay, so we are going to slip stitch in here. There you go. Okay, so that is our second row. Okay, so from here, because we have started like 5, okay, we're going to chain 10. 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. You can adjust this, okay, so that will be like that. And we are going to do the same thing. We are going to work only on the front loop only. Okay, so I think we're going to start from here. Okay, in the first chain. Okay, now here we're going to single crochet 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, and the next single crochet. Okay, single crochet 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and the next single crochet. Okay, and then chain 10 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and the next front loop single crochet. Okay, so I will show you what we've done so far. Okay, so as you can see, this is our small, okay, and this is our big. As you can see, okay, I will show you the flower that I made. Okay, as you can see, this is just how it looks like. Okay, so okay, so all you have to do is just repeat and repeat. Okay, so you can adjust with your string here. Okay, so it's just like a chain, and the more chain you do, the more it is longer. Okay, so at the moment is we have 5 in the front, that is short, okay, and then 10 in the back. Okay, so that's 5 chain standing. Okay, here is kind of 2.5. Okay, 2 chains 0.5 is standing, so it is a big difference. Okay, so you can adjust that, guys, and you just have to continue that. Okay, after you've done this all around, and then you just have to slip stitch, and then after you've done that, you have to chain 2 and do 2 2 half double crochet in the back loop. Okay, you have to do the half double crochet in the back loop all around, and then you have to do the same thing. It's just the same thing, you just have to add this. Okay, so if you want bigger, but if you're happy like this, you can just do that. With mine is I did 5, 10, 15 and 15. Yeah, I think I stayed 15. Yes, so 5, 10. Okay, so 10, I have 1 row of 10, and then the rest is 15. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. Okay, so 5 rows of these to make this flower. Okay, so just continue that, guys, and I will meet you back up, okay, on the 3rd, okay, and final, and then I will let you finish, okay, finish your flower. Okay, you can adjust how many rows you want. You want it bigger, go ahead. You want it smaller, you have to stop. Okay, I will see you. Hello guys, so I have shown you, okay, how to make this very simple flower. Okay, and I made a different, okay, the outside is different, but they're all the same. Okay, I just use 2 rows of the white and all are pink. Okay, so this is like dark pink. Okay, it's not the baby pink. Okay, so thank you very much, guys. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet and you wanted to, please don't forget to click that subscribe button and notification bell, so you will get notified every time I have an interesting video to upload and share with you guys. Okay, thank you very much, guys, and see you until to the next video.